Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk Civil 3D 2022. In last session we have seen how to create sampling lines and a section view. In this session we will see how we can create multiple section views. Let's open the drawing saved in the last session, which was lecture number 43. Let's remove this section that we created in the last section. Under section views, we will click on create multiple section views. Axis 1 is the alignment and axis sampling line 1 is the sample line group name. We will do the automatic station range. The section view name can also be changed. We will write views of section axis 1. We can create a new layer or add the modifier suffix. The modifier value should be underscore static. We can choose either of these styles. Let's go with the road section or land desktop sections for now. Here we can choose any drawing template file. We can choose one from here, like this one, or we can go for these templates. Like here we are at E1 1000. We can give a user specified offset range, but we will go for automatic this time. For the elevation range, we can also give a user specified height, but we will go for automatic this time. Under section display options, we have the name, the clip grid, the label set. Let's go with the EG station. Here we can change the style as well. Under the data bands, we have a couple of options, but we will go with by default settings for now. So let's find a suitable place to place all of them like this. Now we have generated multiple section views for this alignment. If we select one, we have different options like the section properties. Let's go for this one. Here we can change the name, and if we go to section data, we have all these details. Under information tab, we can change or edit the style. For instance, we want to change the color, we can do it as well. And if we edit these properties, we can do the grid clipping. Now you can see the difference. For the graph, we can do some vertical acceleration if we want. Under title annotation, we can change the graph view title, its position, justification, and simply the axis title text. Either they are on the top, left, right, or bottom. Same goes for the horizontal axis. We can adjust the bottom and the top labels. Similarly, for the vertical axis, we can adjust the right, left, or center titles. Under display, we can choose what to show and what not to show. Once we are done, we can simply click the OK button. Now let's select all of them and then press the delete button from the keyboard. Again, we will create multiple views. This time, under the section placement, we will choose A0 1 to 1000. And all other settings would remain same. Here you can see we cannot find the natural terrain. So what we can do, we can simply select one of the sampling lines, go to the option of sample more sources. Here we can see natural terrain. so we can add apply. Now, when we will try to create the section view, this time the natural terrain would be visible. Let's go directly towards the section placement. Here we have selected A0 and now you can see the natural terrain is visible. So let's create the section. Now we have the large size sheet, so more views are now available in each sheet. In this way, we have total 4 sheets and we have 9 views in the first 3 and then 3 views in the last sheet. Let's add the natural terrain again. Simply select it and add, apply and then press OK. Now we will go towards creating more multiple section views. Under the section views tab, this time under the section display options, we can see natural terrain is already available. So for the section placement, let's go for the draft. We don't want any specific sheet. Now you can see that all of them are here without any placement inside a sheet. You can see each title is there. Everything is in its place. We can do a lot of changes with them if we start editing them one by one. For now, we will save the file as lecture number 44 as we were doing all the changes in lecture number 43 file. Once the file is saved, we can simply close Autodesk Civil 3D 2022. Now as the file is closed now, we will call it the day. See you in another session. Till then, take care.